السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أصدقائي. Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. So I am Mesa, your teacher of English. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to discover a new story. يعني في حلقة اليوم سنتطرق إلى قصة جديدة، سنتعلم مفردات جديدة، يعني عبارات جديدة نحتاجها في حياتنا اليومية وفي عملنا باستخدام اللغة الإنجليزية إن شاء الله. لا تنسوا تشجيعي بكتابة تعليق مشجع ومشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم والمشاركة في القناة بالتأكيد. Let's start. So the story is Love and the Time. Love and the time. الحب والوقت. Love الحب، time الوقت. Once upon a time, there was an island where all the feelings lived. Happiness, sadness, knowledge, and all of the others, including love. One day, it was announced to the feelings that the island would sink, so all constructed boats and left, except for love. أعيدوا ورائي. Love was the only one who stayed. Love wanted to hold out until the last possible moment, when the island had almost sunk. Love decided to ask for help. Richness was passing by love in a grand boat. Love said, "Richness, can you take me with you?" أعيدوا ورائي ببطء. الجزيرة نقول island ولا نقول Iceland. Okay? نقول island. Richness answered, "No, I can't. There is a lot of gold and silver in my boat. There is no place here for you." Love decided to ask Vanity, who was always passing by in a beautiful vessel. "Vanity, please help me." "I can't help you, love. You are all wet and might damage my boat," Vanity answered. Sadness was close by, so Love asked, "Sadness, let me go with you." Repeat after me. "Oh, love, I am so sad that I need to be by myself." Happiness passed by love too, but she was so happy that she did not even hear when love called her. Repeat after me. أعيدوا ببطء. Suddenly, there was a voice. "Come, love, I will take you." It was an elder. so blessed and overjoyed. Love even forgot to ask the elder where they were going. When they arrived at dry land, the elder went his own way. Repeat after me. أعيد قراءة ما قرأت ببطء. Realizing how much was owed the elder, Love asked knowledge, another elder, who helped me? It was time, knowledge answered. Let's repeat. Realizing how much was owed the elder, Love asked knowledge, another elder, who helped me? Who helped me? It was time, knowledge answered. It was time, knowledge answered. Time? Asked Love. But why did time help me? Knowledge smiled with deep wisdom and answered, because only time is capable of understanding how valuable love is. نعيد. Time? Asked Love. But why did time help me? Knowledge smiled with deep wisdom and answered, because only time is capable of understanding how valuable love is. The moral of the story is love is always valuable. True love is always valuable. Repeat. True love is always valuable. وإلى هنا أصدقائي نصل إلى نهاية الفيديو. أتمنى أن تكونوا استمتعتم واستفدتم ولو بالقليل. لا تنسوا تشجيعي ودعمي بكتابة تعليق مشجع، مشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم والاشتراك في القناة. See you later.